Hi guys, today we've got here iPad Air 11 and let me show you how to clear browsing data. First of all, open the settings, then find and select Safari. You can search for it in top bar here, so let me find it this way. So open Safari. Now in Safari settings, locate clear history and website data, mark to manage. And at first you need to set the time from which you want to delete the history. To perform a full cleanup, mark all history. Then you can also close all tabs if you want. And now just mark clear history. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. This tab is no longer active because our history is cleaned. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.